Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I had another beautiful morning on Thomas Family Life Farms, and we got some new chickens in last night, so I'm gonna go show them their new home. Property's drying out a little bit, but still got a lot of water everywhere. Check it out. Problem with that is that it's not a 4-wheel drive, so it makes it real challenging to drive throughout the property when it's wet. But the water seemed to went down a lot. It's supposed to be sunny, but it's cold, so it's gonna take a while for this property to dry out, man. So anyways, I'm about to go let the chickens out and then get them some food. These are some of our new chickens. I gotta name them, but these are some of our new chickens. 5 new ladies. Okay, come on out. Come on. Oh, there's one of them already laid an egg. Noah, listen. We got the original ladies over here with the rooster man. Well, go sit. So they're already out foraging, and we'll go ahead and the new man over there, the new chickens.
I had to go put Violet back in the coop, the run, because she was over there attacking my garden. These chickens tore up my cabbages, my Brussels sprouts. I partially blame you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, because you didn't finish your run.
Oh, okay.
And they had free reign over there, and they just invited themselves to my cabbage.
Here we go, y'all.
You know it's the truth.
It kind of is, but it was raining.
Some more cabbage.
It was cold. It was raining. I wasn't getting out there messing with them birds. Trying to keep them out the garden.
Oh my God.
But I guess we introduce them to the new birds.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go meet the new birds, y'all.
They're all out.
They're all out. I finally got most of the run done. I just gotta finish the netting and then put the door on. But it's looking all right. It's looking all right. So this is one of our new birds. What we calling her? Crown of Glory?
Crown of Glory. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh, she is so gorgeous. Look at you, beautiful.
Yeah.
So get her.
It's Violet. And we got these two ladies over here.
There's 4 of them over there.
Four of them. Yeah. And now the gray one, she is the head chicken.
She's establishing dominance.
She's establishing dominance amongst our flock, and she let them know what's up. But these are the new ladies. Hey, how are you? Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
I don't know if we calling her Big Mama. I don't know what we calling her yet. We'll see if the girls want to name her. I'm calling her Big Mama.
I haven't thought of a name yet. We're not calling her Big Mama.
We want to call her Big Mama. She Big Mama. She Big Mama.
Big Mama.
And then we got Manly Man over here. Y'all know Manly Man.
Manly Man needs to be a name.
I know Manly Man. He still ain't. We still trying to get some chicks.
All our chickens over here, and they're all the other chickens out there.
We trying to get some chicks, Manly Man. We need some chicks.
Man, I'm trying.
I'm trying, man.
These girls keep beating me up.
They keep on. Are you ready yet? Y'all know Miss Rocky. So Miss Rocky and the Gray Bird have been trying to establish who's running this flock. It has been extremely interesting. We got Clara. This is Clara.
Oh yeah, that's Clara.
And then which one's the black one's name?
Sparkle.
Sparkle. We got Sparkle over there. That's Miss Sparkle.
Remember, she has like a 5-year-old name.
That's Sparkle. And then that's Violet over there. She's that smallest one. Well, she was the smallest. Now she's the second. She the second smallest.
Yeah. The black one. The
Miss
Crown of
Glory is the little one.
Is small and so sweet.
She is.
Oop! I almost fell.
And the good thing is that the girls came already laying.
Yeah, most of them are already laying. I think about 3 of them are laying already.
Yeah,
and the other
Sparkle,
2 are getting ready to lay.
I mean, Crown of Glory, she's laying.
Even though we didn't get that many eggs this morning, but who knows, Roland? He has them just all out here. It could be anywhere. We could have eggs everywhere.
So I took them out of here. There was no eggs in here this morning. So it was
okay,
no
but they lay like.
I know. But it was
if
one
you don't
egg
trap, like the point of bringing them back here was to kind of trap them in here. So at least we have one area where we'd have eggs.
Yeah, it's coming.
We're gonna have eggs all out there.
We probably will, y'all. But it's one more day, and then that's it.
Okay.
They're gonna be in here. The only one that can fit through there is Violet. She's the only one that can fit.
Yes.
Like get some LED lights.
You could plug it into the over there.
So what do you think we should do with this little piece right here? I was thinking maybe fill it in right here. Yeah. But what do you think?
Maybe a wreath.
A wreath?
You can go to Dollar General and get stuff to fill it in with.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see how this will look. How does that look? It looks cute?
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of Easter though, because I like how they were palm branches. Even though these aren't palm trees, but like
it's different types of stuff from different Christmas trees. So okay, so a red bow maybe added here.
bow.
What do you think?
Or it could be like ebony, put a bunch of ribbon in it.
No, it's not supposed to be thick. It's supposed to be simplistic.
Okay, yeah, bow.
So yeah.
It's a little like red things.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll go to the dollar store really quick and get that. Let's go.
Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff.
I like those too, but I'm thinking something more flexible would look better.
Like here? We should have one of these.
This is my song.
We should probably line your beds around.
I'm I'm ready for Christmas. I'm gonna draw some Christmas photos.
Look.
Yeah.
Oh, we can use this one.
You can color your own. I just wish y'all had. We can use different markers. They ain't even get creative. That's
Look
crap.
at that.
Yeah.
They at least did red, white, green.
We can get y'all. We can use our own markers. Use different. We ain't gotta use these. You want to do these or you want to wait?
I like the stocking I have though. It's really pretty. Okay.
The graham crackers. Look at these cookies. If we're gonna use one, I want the pink one. Cookies. I'm making do that cookie.
You may notice under here I'm wearing the red flannel to go with the Christmas thing we got going.
Oh, Mom, we should
You know,
eat.
Christmas is essential in the Thomas family life. What are you?
Dinosaur.
You're a dinosaur.
Rawr.
What's going on, y'all? So we out here at the property. Got my man Dalvin out here. He's helping me. He is going to be taking a look at our canal and seeing how we could get it filled the best approach. And then I also got these pallets that they hooked us up with that I got to use in the back for the chicken run and also for other stuff. And check my man Dalvin out. Swinging in the 4x4. Yeah, I gotta get one of these. I got to get one of these. I'm gonna buy me a crew. Really? 4-seater. Okay. Hauling it. That's all. Yeah, I see. Right here. I think so, but let's go down one more. Cause it's at a hard slant. Yeah. So that's my marker. Right. Look down there. So you saw a gator?
Looked like a little gator come off the bank.
Really? Oh shucks. And slants? Yeah. It's at an angle going out that way. But I'll be able to measure it out. Once I have this cut down, I can walk it across with my tool and measure it and hit the markers on this side. This has a little dip down.
So all this is yours right here.
Yeah, all this is mine. And I go further back. We can ride this thing around, and I'll show you. All right, man. We don't gotta ride around. We just get all in a minute. How deep you think this is?
I'm going to my duck line.
Oh, it's all marshy, man. God, dog. Some crawl through here. That's all water, y'all. Yeah, so that market this way, that's all it is. So I gotta measure it out from these markers across, you know? Yeah. Yeah. This, y'all. Look at this. Into the pond. But that's a lot. That's a lot of water.
You have to
Lift it up.
mess with the elevation and all that. But
I mean, I will at some point. I know you good. I'm just. We're living on the wild side, y'all. We're living on the wild side.
you gotta live life on the edge, man.
We on the edge, man. We on the edge. Oh, that's wild.
All right, you guys. So Vlogmas day 1 in the books. Actually, I don't know if this is day 1. Is this day 1?
Yeah, it's day 1.
All right, you guys. So Vlogmas day 1 is in the books. Thanks for joining us on this crazy journey, but today was really, really fun. Me and the girls had a lot of fun today. And yeah, looking forward to tomorrow.
Absolutely. Hey, if you haven't already, make sure you click that like button, subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can keep up with our videos.
And share our videos.
Yes, share, guys.
If you like our videos, please share them. Sharing it gets us out, gets us more exposure, and it just blesses our channel overall. So we love you guys. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.